this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add animated wallpaper to Opera GX. Before you begin, ensure that you are using the latest version of Opera GX for the best performance and features. Open Opera GX and click on the Easy Setup button, located at the top right corner of the Start page. In the Easy Setup panel, scroll down to find Wallpapers section. Click on Wallpapers to open the customization options. Opera GX provides a selection of animated live wallpapers. Browse through the available animated wallpapers and click on the one that resonates with you to apply it as your background. If you have a specific live wallpaper in mind, you can download it from platforms like wallpapers.com. And then add the wallpaper option and you can import it from your PC. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.